Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pool beer pongs available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have GoPong Pool Beer Pong. GoPong's Pool Pong Lounge is a premium 6-feet floating beer pong table with built-in cup holders for social floating. This product is essentially a version of our popular Party Barge but without the built-in cooler. The 6 feet by 3 feet table includes 10 cup triangles on each end for full-size pool pong play. Each side of the raft is also lined with 4 cup holders for social floating. So you and your friends can float and socialize around the table between pong games. The pool lounge can also be used as a floating tanning lounge if you're ever able to get it all to yourself. The pool lounge includes 6 pong balls and is retail packaged. At number 5 we have DR.DUDU Pool Beer Pong. DR.DUDU floating pong table is suitable for pong balls game that's making your summer pool social party pretty fun. DR.DUDU Pong inflatable floating raft is thick and sturdy. This pong pool float is easy to inflate and holds up pretty well. It is ideal to hold drinks in the pool and keep the drinks cool in the sun. This DR.DUDU Pong inflatable floating raft is easy to deflate after using. And Pong float allows for simple fold-away convenient storage and portability. You can enjoy your summer party time drinking while playing. At number 4 we have GoPong Pool Beer Pong. GoPong's Pool Pong table is designed to provide a quality full-size floating beer pong table at the most economical price possible. The table can be inflated by mouth or by pump and includes full 10-cup beer pong on each side. The set is retail boxed and also includes 3 pong balls and rules, so it makes a great gift. This is a must-have for spring break or summer pool parties. The table measures 6 feet long and has full 10-cup beer pong. The cup holders fit standard size party cups. You can stop sweating it out during those hot summer days and jump in the water to play some beer pong. This 6-foot floating beer pong table with 3 pong balls, everything you need for a good time. At number 3 we have GoPong Pool Beer Pong. The Pool Pong Party Barge is the first and only floating beer pong table to include a built-in cooler, so ice-cold drinks are always within reach. The 6 feet by 3 feet table includes 10 cup triangles on each end for full-size pool pong play. Each side of the raft is also lined with 4 cup holders for social floating. So you and friends can float and socialize around the table between pong games. The central cooler can hold up to 18 cans with ice. The Party Barge can also be used as a floating tanning lounge if you're ever able to get it all to yourself. It is made from industry-leading raft-grade material with a soft finish. At number 2 we have Case Club Pool Beer Pong. When fully assembled the foam measures 81.0 inches by 22.1 inches by 2.1 inches. When broken down and stacked the table measures 30.3 inches by 22.1 inches by 6.1 inches. This extra side cup holders for cups taken out of the game. At number 1 we have WDUDU Pool Beer Pong. The table includes 10 cup triangles on each end and each side of the raft is also lined with 4 cup holders for social floating. So you and your friends can float and socialize around the table between pong games. The built-in cooler can hold the ice and keep food and drink cold. It is very easy to use. It can be used as a cocktail table to hold your drinks while in the pool. They are made of high-quality PVC thicker material, better quality and durable. It is a perfect toy in the swimming pool in the summertime. Also designed for birthday party, house party and family party. It also comes with a cooler in the middle to hold extra drinks. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pool beer pongs for your need.